Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This printer is Canon TR4755. I'm going to show you how to connect this printer to a wireless network. Go to the display panel, select this button. We'll show you setup mode, Wi-Fi setup, select OK. Easy wireless connect, select OK. It's processing. Follow the instruction on the PC or mobile device. Now the next thing to do is on your mobile phone, go to Play Store, install Canon Print app, open the app, search for printer. Select No, select Next, select OK. Does your printer have a button like this? This may be displayed on the home screen. Then you select Yes. Then select this button, menu button, for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Then confirm. Tap Next. The printer is found. Then you select OK. When the printer is displayed, tap Next. Connect device. Canon Print will use temporary Wi-Fi network to connect the printer. Select Connect. Show you connected and it's processing. Printer will connect to the wireless network. So you found the network. So you select Yes. So I'm going to put the password, Wi-Fi password. Once you put the password, the next thing to do is you need to select OK. Select OK. Communicating to the printer. Communicating with the printer. This may take 150 seconds. And it show you connected. So it's connected. If you look on the printer, it's showing us connected. Then you select OK. But you need to wait for this process to complete. Then you close this. Do you want to save the network information? Then you select OK. So this is the printer. TR4750 series online. So from here, you can print document. If you want to print document, then you select Print Document. Then select Documents. Then you go to the file and select the document you want to print out. So this is the document you want to print out, 2 pages document. Then you select Next. Select OK to print all. It will show you the paper. Select No. Then you go on top, change settings. Select how many copies, the paper, size A4, same as original, media type, plain paper, color mode, we want to print color, duplex, 2-sided long edge. Then you go back, then select Print. Printing completed. Then you select OK. Then you go back to the home page. So after you connected this printer to wireless network, if you want to add it to your computer, what you need to do is you need to go to your settings, select the settings, go to Bluetooth and devices, then go to printers and scanners, add a device. Canon TR4750 series is found. Add this device and is connecting. It will show you TR4750 series. Select on the printer, Canon TR4750 series. Driver update may be available. Select on it. Print a test page. Window printer test page. You have correctly installed your Canon TR4750 series on laptop. Color support, yes. Data, raw. Canon TR4750 series. Window. Then another thing is if you want to scan document is you need to select scanner settings, then open scanner, then scroll to the side. You wait for the printer to be ready. Then you go on the left side and select the printer and go back to Microsoft Store. Then add Canon Print app. Canon Print. Select Canon Print. Open the app. And this is the printer. It will show you the ink level. This is the printer Canon TR4700 series. So from this app, you can scan documents. You can do so many things. This is how to connect this printer to a wireless network, then add it to your computer. And if you want to print document, select print document. Then you go to the file, select the document, select open. You wait for the document to attach. This is A4 paper, 2 pages. Then you select media type, plain paper, duplex, printing, long edge. Then select print. So it's going to go back in to print the second page. This is the document. Thank you very much.